Want free MP3s that are legal to download and use? Here's a clear, practical way to do it. First, understand the difference between free and legal. Some music is legally free because the rights holder has released it under a license that allows free downloads. Other music is copyrighted and only available through paid services or by permission. Avoid ripping or recording from paid streaming services unless the service explicitly allows that. That can violate terms of service or copyright law. Start with music that is explicitly in the public domain or released under a Creative Commons or similar open license. Public domain music has no copyright restrictions and can be used freely. Creative Commons licenses let creators define what's allowed. Some require attribution, some forbid commercial use, and some disallow remixing. Look for labels like CC0 or public domain for the most unrestricted use. Look for reputable sources that offer free, legal downloads. Curated archives and artist platforms often let you download MP3 files directly or offer downloads in other formats you can legally convert. Examples of places to check include large digital archives, net labels, and platforms where artists offer tracks for free or pay what you want. Many independent artists put free tracks on their own websites, on Bandcamp with the free download option enabled, or on SoundCloud with a download button. YouTube's audio library provides free music and sound effects for creators. Public libraries often provide access to digital music through apps and services tied to your library card. How to verify the license. Before downloading, read the license information on the items page. If it's Creative Commons, note exactly which CC variant it is. If the page says free to download, see whether it also mentions whether you can use the music for commercial projects, whether you must give credit, or whether derivative works are allowed. If in doubt, contact the uploader or rights holder and ask for permission in writing. Downloading and file formats. Prefer sites that provide MP3s directly. If a track is provided in a different format, but the license allows downloads and conversion, you can convert to MP3 using reputable software. Don't use tools that scrape or rip content in violation of a site's terms. Also, scan downloaded files with antivirus software and check metadata so you know the artist, title, and license are preserved. Respect the terms. If a license requires attribution, include the artist's name, track title, source, and license when you use the music. If it forbids commercial use, don't use the track in anything that makes money without getting additional permission. If it forbids derivatives, don't remix or alter the track unless you get permission. Support creators. Free doesn't have to mean zero support. If you like an artist's free download, consider tipping, buying other releases, sharing their work, or following them. That helps them keep making music. Quick checklist before you download. 1. Confirm the source is reputable. 2. Read and understand the license or permission terms. 3. Make sure downloads are offered explicitly and legally. 4. Keep records of the license or permission in case you need to prove you downloaded legally. 5. Respect attribution, commercial use, and derivative restrictions. If you want help finding specific free legal MP3 sources for a particular style or use, for background music, podcasts, or personal listening, tell me the genre and how you plan to use the music, and I'll suggest appropriate options.